Today is a pretty cool day at the farm because we grew peanuts. Like what? This actually just came out of that ground which we planted and Allah willed it, of course. So that is so cool. So this is actually peanuts, believe it or not. We managed to plant and successfully grow peanuts. So let's check it out. There they are. Unbelievable. Did you ever think? What cool Luski? So exciting. Apparently though, if I open it and show you guys, there it is, crack. Apparently you don't eat the first round, you plant it again so that it becomes more. So I'll do that. Wow. Okay, apparently I can't eat it, but I gotta try it. I gotta try this. Look how cool it is. I'm dying right now. MashaAllah. Bismillah. Definitely not edible yet, but very cool. This is literally another digging for gold moment. We actually got so many. Look at all this. Okay, maybe this side one. That might be all of it. So cool. So cool. We got that many potatoes. Peanuts. Freaking awesome. This is actually how the peanut plant looks like. So we have a few more coming along. But yeah, it's pretty exciting. Our beautiful veggies today.
Caramelized onion.
Nice. Is this the one you picked from the garden? So this is our job while we wait for lunch. We're planting these.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What time do you have to wake up for madrasa?
5.
Whoa! What time do you get back?
11:30.
Oh my gosh! And then you have to rush and get ready for actual school?
Yeah.
By 12:30 the bus comes.
By 12:30 the bus comes.
Wow! That is life in Africa with Islamic studies and English studies and just doing it all at a young age. Thursdays and Fridays for farm studies.
Yeah.
Seeds. That's why we're planting them, because the field already, you've seen, it's full of onions.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna put these, and then they're gonna make seeds in just a few weeks actually, which is good. Then we reduce the cost of seeds.
It will make seeds, not the
fruit.
Yeah,
Cool.
Now.
Every single thing that is a fruit or a vegetable, it will make the seeds if you leave it in the ground long enough.
Yeah. Okay.
So when you need something to eat, you take it out right away. But when you need the seeds, you leave them longer.
Yeah, I was thinking how the seed of the onion look like.
Oh, it's the most beautiful flower. So pretty. You'll see them in a few weeks. Oh, Indi man ulle. Do you see how much I'm crying?
Yeah.
You're not. You're used to this.
Yeah, I was cutting the onion
all my life. Let me grab one pepper for the meal today. MashaAllah. There it is. There are some carrots, but I want them to grow bigger. Lunch is served. I love it. Meals at the farm just taste different and hit different. Where's the spring onions? I forgot.
It's right here.
Ay, di ba sana? Ganda sarang.
That's good. So.
Yeah, wala.
It's so pretty. I wish it was at the front of the farm. It's just hidden back here. Okay, Operation Raised Bed. So we took this leftover window frame and we're just gonna load it up with stuff. This is all of our scraps, the compost. Ooh, yeah, whoa. That's perfect. It was already decomposing. Huh. It's fresh. Okay, put some in there. Then manure, right? Second? Kimasokot na. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, and then we're gonna get some of our actual composted soil. Okay, let's go get the good soil.
Anak kasi muna kami yan. Di ba gano'n ko? Ano, sikal mo ka?
This is our old compost pile.
Mas ka ano katay? Mas laka siya.
Oh wow.
Mas susi daro really.
You do give us.
That's perfect for our raised bed. Black gold. Okay, so we're gonna go continue what we were doing this morning and covering these trees with grass. Like this poor guy. Oh, there's ants everywhere. The guinea. It all around so that it holds moisture. There you go. It's like wearing a scarf. So this tree here is an example of needs to be mulched.
What could do?
So there it is. Made my raised bed. I'm gonna stick all my onion bulbs in them now, inshallah, and then we'll get them growing to seed. We only want them for seed, remember. That's why we did this little method here. Airway. That's a good sign. We should have compressed it maybe, Mom. You think?
Ay, isa ka sa dagi.
Ay, makakasaya. Yeah, isa ka dagi.
Siti osa na yan karamnas.
Ja. Sira ako.
Pasa siya siti.
Ato lang siya.
Yeah. Vamos, Shamsa. So that's a pretty awesome farm day. How about that? Peanuts. And we planted our onion bulbs. Well, I hope you liked the episode, and I'll see you again in another one. Probably really soon, because I live at the farm now.